So we're just finishing a big renovation here with Ian. We basically put a new color of acrylic all around the house. We put new windows. But tell me, what was your biggest concern, like looking for a stucco contractor?
Somebody who was ready for any surprises that came up. It's a 50-year-old house, and it had 30-year-old vinyl siding over 50-year-old stucco, and who knows what's underneath all of that. So somebody who would be here in person, show up, when I had questions or concerns, and talk me through the various options and help me find the path forward.
Definitely. Well, especially because we have this vinyl siding, right, on top. Which did a lot of damage on the stucco, right? So,
yes.
So we take care of that. We add some materials to protect and prevent more, moisture getting into the wall. So that make a big difference.
Yeah.
So we also did new windows. Around the house.
New construction windows.
Yes.
Which is a little bit more than just cut and slide in and screw into the jambs. It's take back the stucco, put in nail flange windows with new membrane and flashing. The team was very, very adamant and careful about doing the flashing just the right
waterproofing,
way.
Right?
Waterproofing it all, and then putting the wire mesh back over around the flange and doing 3 layers of stucco back to blend it and physically integrate it with the rest of the stucco.
So also we take care of drywall repair on the interior, painting. I know you have different colors on the room, but we're able to match all that.
Yeah, and there's a lot of hardwood inside the house, so there was some careful attention to the fact that there's a cherry wood trim and cherry wood windowsills and that needed to be handled with care, and that was all done.
Awesome. Also, I want to recognize that you did a barbecue for the team.
I did.
That was awesome.
I did.
We're super happy.
Yeah. Well, they became part of the household, part of the family.
Awesome.
We got used to having the scaffolding around and the team around. Got to know them all by name.
Awesome.
And certainly enjoyed having them around. Anytime I came and had a look, they would show me what they were working on. Anytime they had a question, that's what I really liked. If there was more than one way to do something, or something the homeowner might have some input into, they were very careful to make sure that they included me in that thinking
awesome.
in the conversation. So I included them a little bit in our own home traditions.
So will you recommend Plastering Solutions for stucco projects?
Yeah, excellent company, great company from start to finish. I thought about all the details and followed through, right down at the tiniest little touch-ups of things like the screws on the downspouts. Make sure that they're painted Nassau blue to match the rest of the home.
Yeah, very important. Even those little details, right?
Yeah.
So
the details matter. The details matter. Yeah.
So I was going to show you the color of the house is really, really nice. Definitely stand in the street, but I love it. The way it came out. I love the combination of white trim with a darker color. Yeah,
it's called Nassau blue. Turned out just as we'd envisioned, a little bit, as I say, like it makes me think of sailboats in a marina on the coast on a sunny day. Even when it's cloudy, it brings a smile to our faces.
And it looks really, really nice. I'm glad that you guys are happy. I know you and your wife, we always talk about what you guys envision, and I think we make it happen.
Yeah, we definitely got a new home and we didn't have to move.
Yes, that's the good part. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.